Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for L.S.V Reviews, back again another video. Today, we've been doing something a little bit different. This is about the second one this year. We're doing another sneaker review. Alright, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so notify new videos. Tell a friend, subscribe. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll let you guys know a little bit of something about news for the channel, what we're going to be doing once we hit 2,000 subscribers. Alright. Now we got all the business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright. I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. This is your boy Mark for L.S.V Reviews. Back again. Doing another sneaker review. And it's going to be a little similar to the last one I did, I think it was a couple weeks ago. As you see the box, you know what kind of shoe it is. It's a Nike. Alright. Also, let's turn around so you can see the box. Let's see what it is on the box. Get as close as I can. It's the Nike React Element 55 Atlanta Falcons colorway. Atlanta Falcons edition. The colorway is University Red, black, white. That's the colorway, size 12, and retail 140. But you probably find it's gonna be 140, 139 on Fanatics or whatever you go look at, because that's the only other place I seen them was Fanatics. So, all right, with the Atlanta Falcons. All right, we go ahead and open up the box so you can see what it. Just do it quick so you can see what it looked like. I already did an unboxing of the Chicago Bears colorway, but I want to do an Atlanta Falcons colorway. As you see, nice little shoe, like a little dirt from that might have been rubbing off on the paper inside. Kind of a dark red. They said University Red, but nice, like I said, thin material. Got the little black swoosh. It's like almost like one of them jacket type materials, like, you know, like a I don't know what to kind of call it, but it's a real thin material. Got the black swoosh. I think the swoosh should have been red, but that's fine. And it got the little red stitching right here on the black, right on the back of it right here. You got the Nike React on there, branding on there. And let's see here on the back of it, you got the little Nike swoosh and a little pull tab on there. That's pretty cool right there. And then you got the Atlanta Falcons logo right there. You know what I'm saying? So you got the Atlanta Falcons logo. Like I said on the other ones, the Chicago Bears one, I think the logo should have been on the outside, like up here somewhere where you could see it on the outside instead of the inside right there. But, you know, it is what it is. I didn't design them. All right. And you see on the upper, you got, it's like three different materials right here. It's like kind of like a paperish like feel right here, and then it's like a felt right here on the laces right where the loops are. Nice little black and red, you know, detailed loops right here. And if I'm mistaken, I think they come with some red laces as well. But you see, like I say, that all of it's pretty much the same type of like material, like a real breathable material, real thin. And on the tongue, you got the React on there, and you got the Atlanta Falcons logo on there. Well, you got the Atlanta Falcons on there, and then you got the logo inside the shoe. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a different angle so you guys can see it. I'm gonna take out both of them so you can see them from a different angle. All right, hold tight. All right, we're gonna switch to a different angle, because I want to show them to you from a different angle. The Nike React 55 Element 55s. I don't know why I keep leaving it out. So I'm gonna take both of them, take them out of the box. I already pulled one out, so I'm gonna pull both of them out so I can show you from this angle, the better angle. As you can see, I got the Chicago Bears sitting on that side. So I want to get both of them out so you can see both of them. All right, this is the start of this video, this show. All right, I showed you before when I opened up from the top angle. As you can see, you got the little black Nike swoosh right here, and like I said on the bottom, you got the white, like hard kind of. Well, it ain't hard. It's like the squishy material where you can, you know, it's going good for walking. It's going to absorb a lot of the shock or whatever. You got the red. I like the different colors, how they mixed it up with the red, white, and black on there. So you got the black up top with the little grips right here, and then on here, let me show you closer. You got the little Nike React right here. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit closer where you can see that they got the Nike React down there. That's pretty cool, and I think they're very comfortable because I put these on just to walk around, how the blue ones on before I order the red ones. See how they feel. They're pretty comfortable. And I usually wear like 11.5, so I had to go up a half size so it be real comfortable. But overall, it's a comfortable shoe. But check it out. Like I said before, I think that the logo, the team logo, should have been on the outside, like up here on top of the swoosh. Maybe maybe that's me, whatever. But that's how I feel. That's my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else might think different, or whatever. Whoever made it thought different. But anyway, yeah, I think that should have been on the outside. Like I said, I showed you the back. Got the little Nike swoosh right here, little pull tab right here. Help put them off long. Got the little black rubber on the back with the Nike React on there. Put it closer where you can see. Got the Nike React on there. Like I said, the other side got the team logo on there. Oh, like I said, these are some pretty decent shoes. They're very, very thin now. Very, very thin. So this is like a summertime shoe. And I know it's like a little blemish. I think that's from shipping, from being in a box. But I can get that out, real easy. And here's the other one. Like I say, it comes with 2 pair of laces. It comes with the black laces already in it. And it comes with the red laces. I'm going to go ahead and take these black laces out. And I'm going to put the red laces in it. Because I want the red ones. I think it'll look a little bit. I think they look a little bit better with these red laces versus the black laces. I'm gonna try it out and see how it look, but yeah, overall I think it's a pretty good looking shoe. But if I had to choose between both pairs, if I had to choose between which ones I like the best, that had the best looking colorway, it would have to be the Bears colorway. The Bears colorway looks way better. I don't know, I mean, tell me what you think. Make a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I think the Bears colorway, I'm going to hold them both up. You got the Falcons colorway, and you got the Bears colorway. Try to get them while I can get them both in the frame. You got the Bears, you got the Falcons. So I like, these are 2 of the teams I like, so I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and get these. I got a good deal on them. I didn't have to pay retail. Got them on. They've been on sale. I guess they trying to push them on out or whatever. Because I mean, it ain't a brand new shoe. It's been out for a minute. But I saw them. I said, oh, let me go get them. But like I say, my favorite is these Bears. These Bears colorway is nice. You got to see them in person. It looks totally different in person. But yeah, this is the Atlanta Falcon colorway. I said, well, when I got these, I said, well, let me go ahead and do another review and show you guys how these look, because I was thinking about getting them and I went on ahead and got them. But yeah, check them out. Bam. I'm trying to get it to a good angle so you can see them. Pretty nice looking shoe, I must say. And show you the bottom. Got the little grips on the bottom. I got them backwards, man. Got the little, show you the back end, the rear end real quick. Got the little Nike swoosh on the back. I think that's a good look on there. And I would have liked to have seen them have, like, right here under the swoosh, have Element 55 or Nike React right here, and like a red lettering. That would have been cool right there. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Overall, I think it's a pretty comfortable shoe. Like I said, a good summertime shoe. If you do a lot of walking, and stuff, jogging or whatever, this is a good shoe. Help with nice cushion and everything, and it helps for it to be a nice, good looking shoe. All right, like I said, it's been a while since I did any shoe reviews or whatever. But also, let me show you from this angle the tongue on there. You got the little React symbol on here. You got the Atlanta Falcons on there. This tongue is very, very thin, very thin, very thin. Yeah. But like I said, it's been a while since I did a sneaker review. Like I said, you know, these two are the first sneaker reviews I did in a long time. Somebody could do a while ago, but you know, just trying something new, whatever. But I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the quick review on these Nike Element React 55s. I get the name twist tied or whatever. But anyway, I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, so be notified new videos. And oh yeah, like I said in the beginning, once we hit the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna start like some of the tech products that I review on the channel on a weekly basis, because I pretty much upload a video every week. I try at least every week. Sometimes I might put 2 videos up a week, but I'm trying to get to that one point to where I can go and put up, you know, a video every, you know, at least, you know, every day, Monday through Friday. Put a video at least Monday through Friday, and my ultimate goal is to be able to post a video every day. But only way I can do that is with you guys' support. So that's why I'm saying, once I get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, then that's when I'm gonna start doing giveaways on some of the products, the tech products and stuff, you know, I review on the channel. I'm gonna start doing some giveaways once I get to the 2,000 subscriber mark. I'm gonna select certain products, and I'm gonna start doing giveaways once I hit the 2,000 subscriber mark. So stay tuned. Tell a friend. Subscribe. The more subscribers I get, you know, the better it helps the channel, and then I can bring better content and do more stuff, and then I'll be able to do giveaways and stuff once I get 2,000 subscribers. Because like right now, all this stuff is coming from me. Not getting paid for none of this stuff. All this stuff is my opinion. I'm not an expert on none of this stuff. I'm just a regular person doing reviews, because something I like to do and like to, you know, share this stuff with everybody. So, like I said, once you get 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna start doing giveaways and stuff like that. Like I said, this is something I like to do. Not getting sponsored. It'd be nice to be sponsored, but no, I'm not getting sponsored. And all these reviews are pretty much of my channel are from me in my own opinion, and I'm not an expert in none of this stuff. I'm a regular everyday person just like everybody else is. Just something I enjoy doing. All right, I like bringing this content and doing this stuff, and bringing this to all my true cool subscribers like you guys out there watching the video. All right, guys and gals, everybody out here watching the video, I appreciate it. All right, now that I got all that out of the way, you know how I always do. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? And the message for the day is stay focused, stay positive. That's the message for the day. Stay focused and stay positive. That's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark, Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic. I'm out. Peace.